po si Lance Joseph Tecada from BSIT 3Y1-3. Explain natin yung code is username and password. So, ito lang yung ina-accept na special characters and ang maximum attempt is 3 lang. So, print registration, enter si user ng full name tsaka ng kanilang username. Kapag true, nag-input lang sila ng user or admin, mamili sila, naka-lower siya. So kapag nag-type sila ng user or admin, nag-break doon. Kapag else naman, kung ano man type nila, maging invalid siya. Kailangan kasi nila i-enter lang is user or admin. So while maximum attempt daw is greater than 0, print password. So password, mag-input lang sila. Enter your password. Enter your desired password. Minimum 8 characters. Includes uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. So is valid is equals to true. Ito naman, yung length naman ng password nila is greater than 8 daw. Ang ipiprint niya is password must be at least less than 8. Ang ipiprint niya is password must be at least 8 characters long. Please try again. Is valid is false if not any character is lower or char in password. Ang ipiprint niya is kailangan daw password must contain at least one lowercase letter. Please try again. Dito naman kapag pag false ulit, tapos if not any character naman daw is di siya naglagay ng isang uppercase, ang ipiprint niya is password must contain at least one uppercase letter. Please try again. Meron din dito. Kapag dito naman hindi siya naglagay ng isang digit or at least isang number, ang ipiprint naman is password must contain at least one number. Please try again. Meron din dito. Kapag hindi siya naglagay ng isa, kahit isang isang special character lang, ang ipiprint niya is password must contain at least one special character, which is ito. Nilagay natin dito sa unahan. Kailangan required yan. So, saan ba? Ayan. Kapag valid naman, kapag tama, well true, confirm password, i-retype nila yung password nila for confirmation. Tapos, ayan. If password is equals to confirm password, break. Kapag else, pagka mali sila ng in-input na password, tapos mali rin, kapag nag-input sila ng password, tapos nung nire-type nila mali, ang lalabas is password do not match, please re-enter both. Or kapag mali naman yung in-input niyang password, tapos mali rin yung in-input niya nung nire-enter niya, ito rin yung lalabas. So, break. If password is equals to confirm password, break. Maximum attempt naman daw is 1. Maximum attempt is greater than 0. Ang reprint niya is attempts remaining. Kung ilan na lang yung attempt na natitira sa kanila. Else, kapag sumobra, ang ipiprint niya is too many wrong attempts, registration failed. So, exit na ng program. Ito naman is yung pagka ipiprint na yung pag-register ka na, yung successfully registered, ipakita din yung full name mo, yung username, call out lang yung variables na ginamit para mag-display siya. After nun, ipapa-enter yung username mo sa yung password mo. Pagtapos nun, ipiprint is you have successfully logged in. Welcome username, kung ano man yung username na ginamit mo. So here's the output.